In 1913, only 2% of households paid income tax. Before this, the US government ran without taxing your income. It relied on tariffs and excise taxes. But that all changed in 1913 with the 16th Amendment, which gave the federal government power to tax your paycheck directly. Initially, only the wealthiest 2% paid tax, but that number began to rise in World War I since the government needed money to fund the war. After the war ended, the government lowered tax rates again since we weren't in a war, and in the 1920s, the US economy soared while most Americans did not pay income taxes. But then in the 1930s, we had the Great Depression, and the government was low on money for World War II. They began to tax everyone to fund the war, and as a result, the number of income tax filers exploded. But what's insane is after the war ended, the tax system never went back. Taxing everyone became the norm, and now that the government had all this extra tax revenue coming in, it wasn't really popular to reduce it. Government spending has only continued to increase, and the tax system has only gotten more complicated. What began as a temporary tax to fund war efforts and economic crises has now become the government's main source of revenue. As per Milton Friedman, there is nothing so permanent as a temporary government program.